Asset Browser in Blender is a very powerful tool. It allows us to instantly add models and materials to our scene. To do this, we just need to drag them into the viewport. This way we can save the objects we need to our library and always keep them at hand. Asset Browser helps us significantly speed up scene creation. To add objects to Asset Browser, we have to fulfill two conditions. The first thing is to mark the required objects as assets. And secondly, show Blender the path to the assets file. To mark the object as an asset, right-click on the object and select Mark Asset. The object will be added to the library. The preview of the object will be rendered automatically. We may also select multiple objects or mark materials as assets. If the preview is not created automatically, press key N to open the Settings menu. In this window we can render the preview. If the automatically generated render is not informative enough, we can set our own image as a preview. I have rendered the images for the previews in advance. I will set these images as the assets previews. As we can see, the objects are already displayed in our Asset Browser. If we try to create a new scene and open Asset Browser, the assets we added will not be displayed. In order for objects to start displaying in the Asset Browser permanently, we should specify the path to the file with the assets. To do this, go to Preferences, File Path, Asset Libraries section. Press Add Asset Library. And here we have two options. The first is to specify the path to the current file. If there are many files, we have to specify the path to each one. The second option is to create one folder, as in my case, for example, Disk C, Blender Assets, and move all assets files to this folder. Blender will automatically add all assets from the files in this folder into Asset Browser. The assets are displayed in Asset Browser as before. And if we create a new scene, then, as we see, our assets are now available for adding. Press Save Preferences. For easier navigation in Asset Browser, we may sort the assets into catalogs. But by default, the buttons for creating new asset catalogs are inactive. To create a new catalog, we need to go to Current File section. And then plus icon will become active. As an example, I'll create two catalogs, models and materials. I select the objects and sort them into the catalogs. Click on the Save icon. Now we will see the catalogs we have created, what will make navigation among the assets more convenient. This completes the tutorial. See you.